In this video, I'll be showing you how to perform cPanel to cPanel email migration, okay, which is something you will carry out if you are moving from one hosting provider to another hosting provider, or if you are transferring your domain from one hosting provider to another hosting provider, okay. So there are several instances where you will want to transfer all of your email accounts into the next cPanel account. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to do. So to carry out the email migration in cPanel, what we're going to do is first navigate to your cPanel account. I'm talking of your old cPanel account. So once you are logged in, you want to scroll down to email account. Yes, so these are the email IDs on my old cPanel account. Okay, so as you can see, I have only used 3 out of 7 available. That's the number of email accounts I can create on my old cPanel account. Okay, so these are the email IDs. We have admin, bills, and then what, support at learnwithdave.xyz. Okay, so we are just checking out our emails. So once we are done, we want to head back to our cPanel tools, and then we want to head to file manager. Yes, so in your file manager, if you look through the folders, you have a mail folder. Okay, so what I want to do is to zip this file. Okay, so go ahead and zip this file. So on cPanel is compressed. So once you're done, you compress the file. Just wait a moment for the file to be compressed. Once that is done, just close this app, refresh the page, or let's say reload. Okay. Yes, so once you reload, you have the compressed file at the bottom of your folder structure. Okay, so I want you to select that and then download to your PC, not upload. I want you to select that and then download. Okay, so yeah, so this would download this mail zip file to your downloads folder. Okay, and then once you are done with that, I want you to go ahead and delete this mail folder. Okay, because we are now moving all of our um, emails from this cPanel account to our new cPanel account. Okay, so once you are done, just go ahead and delete it. I'm going to remove it from my old cPanel. Okay, so once you are done with this, the next thing we want to do is to log into our new cPanel account. Okay, so go ahead and log into your new cPanel account, but you have to know that both domain names must be the same for both cPanel accounts. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me log into my cPanel account. All right, so I have successfully logged into my new cPanel account. And as you can see, this is the wizard that will pop up if you log into your new cPanel account. Okay, so I'm just going to close it or skip it, whichever one you choose. And so as you can see, you have the primary domain still at learnwithdave.xyz. Okay, so this domain must be the same as your previous cPanel account domain. Okay, so once you have that, we are just going to go ahead and go to our file manager, and right, and as you can see, we have a mails folder. Let's check that out. Yes, so we don't have any email created yet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to bring in our email accounts. Okay, so I'm just going to go back up one level, and right here we are going to import our emails. Okay, so the mail folder we downloaded from the previous cPanel account, that's what we are going to upload onto this new cPanel. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of this, so delete, and then we want to head to upload, and then on your upload I want to select the file. Okay, so select your mails.zip. So I'm going to my downloads, and Let's search for mail. Okay, so this is mail.zip, and then we want to go ahead and open it. Okay, so our upload is complete, as you can see, and then we just want to go back to our home page. Good. So now we have the mail.zip file, and then we just want to go ahead and what, extract. Okay, so select the file, and on your right, on the topmost right, you have extract, and then you can go ahead and extract the file. Okay, so yes, so then you close, reload the page, and yes, now you have your mails file here. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is we'll have to create all of those email IDs in our new cPanel account. Okay, so back to our cPanel account. This is our cPanel, our new cPanel account, and then what we want to do is to click on email accounts. Yes, so you also have to make sure that you do not have existing emails on your new cPanel account. Okay, so in order for it to work, this new cPanel must have no existing cPanel account. So we are just going to create our um, email IDs. Okay, so just go ahead and click on create, and then we can just add them like that. So we had admin at learn with div.xyz, and then we're just going to generate the password and create. Okay, so yes, so that one is done. Let's create the next, which is we had bills, generate and create, and then we also had support, and then we have support. Yeah, so that's about it for cPanel to cPanel email migration. So now you have created all of these emails, so we are just going to go ahead and check the mail. Right, so once you're done creating all of your email IDs, okay, so these are email IDs that we imported from our previous cPanel account. So if you check and then you go into your mails folder, okay, you see that you have admin and bills and that of support. Okay, so these are the emails that you imported from the old cPanel account. Okay, so you can just confirm that everything works well by clicking on check mail for any of the email accounts. Okay, so I'm just going to click on check mail, and this loads the mail app in webmail. Okay, yes, so if it loads up successfully, that means everything works okay. And then you can just head back to your file manager. If you opened up your mail and then you can't seem to find all of these email IDs, I want you to head to the settings, and then you can just click on show hidden files and then save. Okay, and then you have it here. You have the draft chunk sent and all of the email IDs that were previously imported from your older cPanel account. Okay, that's it for cPanel to cPanel email migrations. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for my future updates.